Hello there, and welcome to a short series of introduction videos for the SwisensDataExplorer. In the previous video, I explained you the event viewer. Now we want to have a look at particle concentrations which have been measured in the past. So let's have a look at the time series. For that, I simply click on the tab Time Series here and wait until the page is loaded. Then we have the same settings as in the previous tab in the event viewer. I can choose again my data source, in that case SwisensPoleno 1. I can choose a time axis. In that case, I go back to the past and I choose the 3rd of April until the 9th of April. And I can choose a resolution. In that case, I choose 12 hours. And again, I choose my classifier, which identifies different particles or has identified the different particles. And then I simply apply these settings. And then within a few seconds, you will receive a beautiful plot of your particle concentrations during that time axis you have configured here. On the right-hand side, you can see the different particle classes. In that case, there are different pollen classes, except water. And then you can click on those classes and remove them from the particle plot so that you maybe have a better overview of what you're really interested in. But you can also configure these particle classes. Then you can adjust here the visualization. Now we have lines, but we can also move to a stacked visualization or a normalized visualization. I personally prefer the lines, so I go back to the lines. And then we have multiple options to, for example, export this data behind this graph. So we can download it as a CDS file, or we can, for example, generate a dataset by clicking here on Create Dataset. Then I can enter a title, a description, and then simply click on the button Create, and then a dataset of all the events during that time is generated. This dataset can, for example, be exported as a zip archive for sharing with your colleagues, your teammates, or simply to do other analysis with the data. You can also directly export a picture of it, and here you can download the whole graphical plot as a PNG file. And you have also multiple functions over here to zoom into the graph, zoom out to the graph. You can either do a lasso selection. Maybe it doesn't make sense in this type of graph, but you can select a certain area and have a detailed look at it. And that's what you pretty much can do here in the time series tab. And I hope you now have an idea what kind or how you can access and visualize the data with the SwisensDataExplorer. Stay tuned because more videos will follow, also regarding the measurement campaigns tab, what you can do with datasets, and what the system monitor has ready for you regarding additional data coming from your measurement system, SwisensPoleno. Thank you very much and see you next time.